Hey everyone, this is just a quick how-to on installing the Intel AC8265 wireless Bluetooth module on the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Just doing this because I wanted to clear up a couple of the USB ports, make everything a little cleaner. Eventually I'll mount this in a case, make it look all nice and pretty. Undo the two screws to take off the heatsink and module. Once we get that out, there's an additional screw that mounts the Wi-Fi module. Take that out, plug in the module, tighten the screw back in, mount the heatsink CPU module, screw that back up, and then we're good to go. When I did this for my particular installation, I didn't need any additional drivers or configuration besides just repairing my Bluetooth devices and reconnecting to my Wi-Fi. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Seemed to work. I recommend it. Nice and simple. Good to go. Thanks for watching.